Riley, don't do that. That's not nice. I know, he can eat it on his own. You don't push his head like that into that. Don't put your hand on his neck and push his head. That's not nice. You hear me? Okay, tell me, why don't you get up and show me your... Don't push his head down like that. It's not nice. No, he can eat himself. It's not nice. Why don't you show me the name that you spelled over there? Here, come show me. Riley. You want you to show me that name that you wrote, or you spelled out. Here, stand up and show me yours. You show me your dress? Your princess dress? Oh, it's beautiful. See, I told you he'd eat all by himself. Look at the camera and say, hello, camera.
Hello, camera.
Can you spell your name? Can you count for mommy?
What the candace name?
I don't know.
Hey, look! Oh.
Wow, it has layers. You want to stand up and spin in a circle like a ballerina?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
Sit down.
Oh, you want me to sit down? Okay, you have to stay back so I can...
Sit down right there.
Okay.
Sit that right here.
You want me to take your tag off your dress? Come here.
No.
Okay. Do your ballerina moves. Oh, it's beautiful.
Slowly. Turn the music on, please. Turn the music on.
Turn the music on?
Uh-huh.
Okay, go over there and push that button.
That one.
No. On the refrigerator.
On the refrigerator.
Yay! I love that head movement.
Thank you very much.
Aw, that's sweet, babe. You're awesome.
Having the baby in my tummy.
What?
Having the baby in my tummy.
No, not when you until you get older. When you get married, when you're an adult, then maybe.
I am adult now.
No, you're not. You're a young lady.
Me adult now. We getting married. We're getting married.
You are. Who's your best friend?
Uncle.
Aw. Look. Look, right.
This is my dog.
Can you see yourself? I flipped it over so she could see herself. Make a silly face.
Where are you?
Spell your name to the camera.
E-R-S-Q.
That's ABC. Spell your name.
W-S. Science. We getting married. We getting married, and
Can you show me a trick? Wow! You look awesome, dude. You're so silly. Can you act like an elephant?
Mo wants to be this is my dog.
That's your dog? Maybe your cat. Hi, Momo. Mo. Riley, you love your kitty cat, Momo?
We feed him all day.
Oh, gosh.
At him at my house.
Oh, poor Mo. Hi, Mo. Hello, Mo.
Oh.
He's a good kitty cat.
Yeah.
Hey, could you blow the camera a kiss? Thank you. I love you.
He loves me.
Oh, could you tell the camera, peace out, dude?
Peace out, dude. Oh. My kitty cat will do that.
Oh, he did, didn't he? Say peace out, dude.
Peace out, dude.
Do your fingers.
Peace out, dude.
Okay, love you.